Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add friends on Fluxer. Now, adding friends on Fluxer is actually quite simple. And once you do it, it becomes much easier to send direct messages or start conversations without needing to be in the same server or community. Now, to begin, you want to open your Fluxer and head over to the friends or contacts section. Now, this is where you can see your current friend list as well as any pending friend requests. And then from here, you want to look for the option to add a new friend right at the top. So click this. Now, Fluxer will ask for the person's username or unique user ID. And once you enter their username correctly, you can send them a friend request. And after that, the other person simply needs to accept the request. And once they do, you will both appear on each other's friends list. Now, after becoming friends, you'll be able to send direct messages instantly, start voice or video calls, and stay connected even if you're not in the same servers. It also makes it easier to quickly access conversations without searching through different communities. And that's basically how you add friends on Fluxer. So if you found this helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more quick guides, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks!